Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the nifty world of Google Drive and showing you how to upload a zip file right from your smartphone. It's super easy, so let's get started. First things first, open up your Google Drive app on your smartphone. Once you're in, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll see a bunch of options. Select Upload from the list. Here comes the fun part. Navigate to where your zip file is located on your phone. Once you've found your zip file, tap on it to select it. Awesome! Your zip file is now on its way to the cloud. Depending on the size of the file and your internet connection, this might take a little bit of time. Once the upload is complete, you'll see a notification confirming it. And just like that, your zip file is now safely stored in your Google Drive account, ready to access from anywhere. And there you have it. Uploading a zip file to Google Drive. If you find this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.